Well, today we're going to be taking a look at this thing that is definitely a real Game Boy and by no means fake. And it comes with 200 games. And can you believe it was only 15 bucks? I think it was only actually 10. But, you know, it's got Flappy Bird. That means it's good. No, patch, I don't know. So as you can see, this thing is totally, definitely, 100% a legit Game Boy, and by no means fake at all. Because, you know, Tech Solutions have always been the people to make Game Boys. Now, as you can see, this is great artwork, because that is not the blurriest image I've definitely never seen. And that doesn't match that, and I think that's supposed to be Tetris. But don't worry, we got this nice font that looks like it came out of the 80s. On the back, you know, we got knockoff Flappy Bird, and, whatever that is, and other stuff. Enjoy 200 classic games in a compact and lightweight, oh I'm sure it is, design. Choose from retro arcade games, puzzles, shooting, racing, fighting, adventure, and more. Great while traveling, camping, commuting, and commuting. Like, just, you use this while you're driving? Okay. Or simply relaxing anywhere. Plus, you can easily connect to your television for an even bigger gaming experience. What's in this box? Gaming console better be AV cable, DC cable, user manual, because that's, you know, important. Specifications, I don't care. Oh, let's just open this. Hopefully I don't cut into the actual... Hopefully I didn't want to save this box. Oh, look at that. Okay. We're just yep. Oh, there's that nice cable. Oh, at least it's micro USB. That's better than mini USB, which most of these things come with. Okay. Give me the... Yep, thank you. Wow, that is the cheapest feeling cable I've ever felt. And, okay, so instead of an HDMI cable, you get... What is that? Micro jack? Is that like what? I don't even... That's smaller than 0.3 or 3 millimeters. I don't know. But then you got the AV cables. You got the red and the yellow one, which do something. Oh, and then we got, you know, the all-important manual, which is literally just a page. Oh, good, it takes lithium battery cell. I thought it took batteries. I was like, what's the point of the cable? Okay. Ouch. Thank you. Sorry. Okay. So this is definitely lightweight. They were not lying when they said it was lightweight. Okay. This does come with a battery, right? Okay, good, it does. I don't have to put batteries in it. And this thing feels great. Oh, those buttons feel really mushy. So what is the D-pad? Oh, funny enough, the best feeling button is the R button. Man, that thing feels really nice. Those buttons feel okay, but the buttons you're going to use the most feel really bad. Okay, how do we turn this on? Let's... Does it... Oh! Oh, shut up. So if you just smack it, it just does stuff. Yep, okay, that's funny. I like this blue light that just kind of shoots through the whole thing. Oh, and then we got, I'm assuming the LCD panel just reflecting through there. Oh, nope, and stop picking games. Okay, stop it. No. Can I not? Hey, do you wanna? Come on, I wanna. Okay, and everything's broken. Select does absolutely nothing. Alright, come on. Oh, we just knocked the LCD. Okay, so the panel's supposed to be there, but instead it's now there. Let's just see, I can fix that. There we go. Okay, come on. I wasn't that hard on this thing. But none of the buttons work. Okay, here, we're gonna just... Yep, this is definitely how you... No, we should be not stupid. Okay, I don't think that's coming... Oh, no, it does. Okay. Actually, the battery is the best feeling thing, and it weighs more than the actual game console. Okay. Where's the cover? Doesn't just go there. Okay, and... Oh, do I actually need to have the cover? Okay. I thought we were. We'll put you back on. Okay. Oh, do you want to... Okay, so, there's screws in there. Go grab a screwdriver and we can attempt to take that out because, oh, okay, it works now. Okay, I guess we're gaming. Hey, what am I doing? There is no instructions. Select. Okay, I can move. Okay. I can, Oh, what? Oh, am I supposed to match? Oh, what? I don't... Help me understand what this is supposed... Can I grab the fit? What? No, now I want... What the hell? There, did I match it? This is true gaming. Okay, green. Was the green here? No. Is that green? Is that green? That's green. Apparently it's not the same green. Okay. Oh, wait, we switched. Here. We'll go back to there. Did I get... No. Okay, it's slightly different. Oh, wait. Is this yellow? No, yellow's over here. Yeah, okay. Man, this is some top quality gaming. Oh, here. Oh, man, that... Actually, the viewing angles are only kind of really bad. Okay, that's cool. Oh, I won. Okay, I don't want to play this anymore. Can I... So you can only play one game. None of the other games work, which is really cool because I didn't want to play any of the other games anyway. That's fine. How about if I just like... Does that fix it? Oh, sorry. Go back there. Okay. Come on. We want to do something. We want to work. I like that if you just bang on it, you can just move the panel. Let's just see what's inside. I should shut it off. I'm not going to. It can bear witness to what's about to happen. Oh man, this thing's just ready to come apart. Oh, just stripping that screw. That's, oh, nope, still just stripping it. Okay, that's fine. Oh, it shut off. Oh, no, it's going in and out. Okay. Oh. Wow, that... Oh, we're losing pieces. Okay, I gotta remember where all this goes so I can put it all back. Can you, can I see inside of here? Oh, there's a screw. Okay. We need to make sure that we lose every single one of these screws. Yep, okay, you can go live there. Okay, come on out. Yep, okay. And literally nothing is glued in. So can we play it like this? Oh, the battery's not... Is it leaking? We're gonna... It's really clean in here, actually. I mean, I like the little piece of plastic that's, I'm assuming, supposed to be glued into there. They just forgot to glue it. Or it's supposed to be a friction fit. I don't really know. Oh, buttons are falling out. Those buttons are really not fun to put back in, so let's not do that. Okay. Yep, and that's why those switches feel like crap. Okay. Oh, well, at least they put a piece of foam right there to make sure that it doesn't, like, tap. That is the lightest feeling screen ever. Okay. Oh, I think we actually can. Oh, okay. Let's move you aside. We might actually be able to get this thing to turn on. Oh, we just dumped all the screws out. Okay. That's good. And... Oh, yeah, this isn't janky. Okay. And... Oh, I'm missing the terminals. Okay. There we go. Oh, look at that. Is it lit? Oh, it's just like a light. It's just LEDs lighting up the backlight. Oh. Oh, and that's just ready to come off. Okay, so... Oh, I can reset it. I don't know if I can actually tap any of the buttons. Do we have sound? We do indeed have sound. Okay. That is... cool. I want to play it. That one. I don't think that's how that works. I don't know why I'm still trying to do that. Okay. This has been fun, but I'm going to stop trying to get myself electrocuted. We're going to just gently put all of this back together. Oh, okay, that's magnetic. Yep, that makes sense. That is a speaker. Be a shame if I just, like, I scratch it. No, I did not. Okay. Just, come on, and make sure we just line up that screen. Nope, don't care that much. Okay, just twist those cables because that's good for it. And, okay, nope, now that doesn't want to line up. Where's that screw? Should probably make sure that, yeah, let's just go and, oh, this is going to be so fun. Oh, good, this is magnetic. That's good. Okay, come on, just, I don't think it's, okay, you know, I'll just, there we go. I'll just be back when this is back together. So, you don't see this screw just sitting there. I definitely put all the screws back in. And we're just gonna power this back on. I will say this is nice, you know. Oh, yep, hold on. There we go. It's a little bit more aligned. And I think I've seen all I need to see of this thing. So it can just go back in its nicely destroyed box, and I never need to see this thing again. So that's neat. If you did enjoy this video, I guess subscribe. I don't know. I don't really care. And until next time, bye. Oh, well, that's definitely more brokener.